In the next step, we're going to find some hardware from hardware pack number 2. And I'm going to locate one M8x20 with a hex head, and then the M8 nut that will go with that. And then there's also an M8x20 Allen head bolt, and then another nut that will go on that. And what I'm going to do is, you'll notice down here, I'm down at the head end of the bed again. There's a series of holes that run up from the head rail down here on the side, particularly on this side rail. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with the first one, that's the Allen head bolt. We're going to slip that through the first hole, and then put the nylock nut, the M8 nylock nut on there. And that takes a 5mm Allen wrench and the 13mm wrench. And we're just gonna go ahead, and this one we're gonna tighten up completely, and we'll get that all the way tightened up. Then I'm gonna skip the second hole here, and I'm gonna go to the third hole, which is right up here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a hex bolt through that, and then one of the nylock nuts. Now on this one, I am going to tighten it up only until the end of the bolt is flush with the nut. So I'm going to tighten it up, but not very tight. I just want to make sure, and that's also the 13mm wrenches, and there's 2 of them from here. So I'm just going to tighten this up until the end of the bolt is through the nut, but I can just feel the end of the bolt coming through the nut. So it'll be quite loose, but tight enough that the whole nut is threaded on.